What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have this 2015 Dodge Ram 1500. This truck, it's a diesel truck and it has a 3.0 liter engine on it. So let me just give you a quick heads up of the code that I have. So as you can see here, we have the P0336, and well, this is the code that we have, and the truck takes a lot of time to start. These trucks have a problem with the crankshaft tone ring, and usually most of the time that part breaks, and well, it makes the truck not start, and even not make the truck start at all. So this truck came in and it starts a little bit, enough so we can move it, but it takes a long time, and that's probably because it's missing a tooth in there or something. All right, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna remove the transmission because this is the only way to access the crankshaft sensor and also the tone wheel. You have to remove the transmission in order to access it. But if you have this code and you clear it and it comes on again and on and on and on, it doesn't matter how many times you clear it, well, technically you will have this problem. And also there's a recall for this, but they just flash the computer on these trucks. It could make the engine lock because the previous programming of this truck, I think it only reads the crankshaft sensor or something like that, and it will overflow the engine with diesel, and then once you start it again, well, it will lock the engine, and I think it will pop a piston or something. But yeah, so that's why why they make the flash for this truck. And yeah, hope you like the video, and let's go straight, and I'll show you once I remove the transmission. I'm gonna show you what's going on in there. All right, let's go. This is the main problem. As you can see, we're missing tooth. Okay, so we're missing one tooth, and this truck is having problems starting. Takes a long time to start up, and usually there's a recall for not this but for the computer, for that code. And they usually, what they do is they reflash the computer so that way it doesn't always fire the cylinders using the crankshaft. Now it will use also the camshaft sensors and all that to synchronize, but it's usually a common problem in these trucks. So yeah, this is gonna be your main problem. You have to remove the transmission for this because, well, there's no way to access. Most people think it's gonna be the sensor, but it's not actually the sensor. It's the tone wheel, the whole problem. So yeah, ¿cómo estamos, muchachos? Estamos en una 2015, una Dodge Ram 1500 3.0 de diésel, y tenemos este problema con el plato reductor que lee la señal, más bien el sensor lee la señal del reductor, y como pueden ver le falta un diente. Entonces esta troca está teniendo problemas al empezar. Cuando le damos marcha prende, pero tarda mucho tiempo en prender. Entonces lo que el sensor no está viendo, pues el pedacito este que le falta, vamos a quitarlo. Y pues tenemos nuestra guía ahí, tenemos uno nuevo, y aquí está lo que está pasando. Todo ese problema, un dientito nomás. Entonces vamos a poner uno nuevo del dealer porque hay aftermarket, entonces puede que no funcione. Y para eso tienen que bajar toda la transmisión, todo. Hay que quitar el filtro del DPF, que es ese de ahí. Ese está por aquí, está un poco trabajoso quitarlo, quitar todo el soporte, la flecha. No necesariamente hay que quitarla desde allá, nomás aflojarla. Entonces, pues este es el problema que tiene esta troca y vamos a solucionarlo. Okay, so as you can see, guys, we have the new tone wheel here, new from the dealership. Let me give you the part number here. Let me see if it's right here. So this is gonna be the part number you're gonna need. I think this is the revised, I mean the new update they have. As you can see here, well, that piece is missing and this one is complete. So you have a guide here, and well, you have to match it with the guide right there. Just push it in until it snaps in there. Entonces aquí estamos ya con el reductor, perdón, la rueda magnetizada. Entonces esta es una parte ya actualizada y pues aquí está el número de parte 6849. Creo que también está aquí 6849, sí está. Entonces esta partecita era todo el problema y como pueden ver pues está todo quebrada aquí y vamos a tener que arreglarlo porque pues usan mucho esta troca. Entonces espero que les haya gustado. Alright guys, so I already finished putting the transmission, and well, actually everything went fine. As you saw, the tone ring was missing a little piece in there, and that was the whole issue on this truck. So we have no more codes. Let me just read the codes, and we see that we don't have any more codes. I already started the truck, so it's working fine, and this is how it's supposed to start. Really smooth. It doesn't have to take a lot of time to crank. And yeah, well, this is the fix for this truck. I hope you liked the information, guys. Please, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, subscribe, comment down below, turn notifications on, and I'll see you on the next episode. JB Fix out, guys. Bye.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock